Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable autofill for personal information in Microsoft Edge. And now let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look for the three horizontal dots located in the top right corner of the window. Click on these dots to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the section labeled Password and Autofill. Within this section, you will find an option for Personal Info. Click on Personal Info. Here, you will see a toggle switch or a checkbox labeled Save and Autofill Personal Suggestions. If this option is turned on, autofill for your personal information is enabled. If you wish to disable it, simply turn this option off. You can choose the setting that best suits your needs. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.